मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया मांगेला हम वरदाने मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया मांगेला हम वरदाने मांगेला हम वरदाने मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया पार्वती हमरा बनैहा स्वामी शंकर समान पार्वती हमरा बनैहा स्वामी शंकर समान स्वामी शंकर समान मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया मांगेला हम वरदाने मांगेला हम वरदाने है गंगा मैया मांगेला हम वरदाने मांगेला हम वरदाने मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हे गंगा मैया मैया हो गंगा मैया
बोलिए गंगा माता की जय हर हर महादेव Namaskar everyone and welcome to the Hindu Prachar Kendra's Sunday morning satsang here on location at the Hindu Prachar Kendra, Raghunanan Road in Enterprise Central, Trinidad. Well, we are usually live, but we are not live this morning. You are viewing a pre-recorded version. I think we all know that we have curfew restrictions over this weekend, so we had to adjust accordingly. And it is actually Gangadhara morning, the actual morning of Gangadhara. And like us who are here, I know many of you are wishing we could have all been at Gangadhara Tirat, at Blanchi Shares in our beautiful northern range. But sadly, for the second consecutive year, it is not possible because we are in pandemic mode and we have to do what is required to be safe. As I said before, it is Gangadhara morning and we feel kind of extra special because of the way the date has fallen. And traditionally, Gangadhara will occur on the 10th Tithi of the month of Jeshta, which is May to June. So traditionally at the end of May or the beginning of June is when Gangadhara will fall. And for public participation, we usually observe the occasion this Sunday after the actual date. But how happy we are that the Tithi started yesterday evening and it will continue into this evening. So Ganga Mata Ki Jai. So we started our satsang with worship of our Ganga Murti right here in our Devasthan at the Hindu Prachar Kendra. And we'll continue worshipping Ganga Mata in different ways as we try our very best to capture the mood that prevails there at the Tirat site. That will be difficult, but we will, of course, be singing the appropriate songs. Ciro has joined us this morning to lead us. We will share some ideas, thoughts, general information, and of course, some beautiful visuals from our archives. And hopefully, this will bring some relief to the Gangadhara withdrawal symptoms, or to just being in the outdoors withdrawal symptoms, because we can't even venture to the beaches and the beautiful nature spaces. So we hope all of this will help your mood this morning. Of course, we know today is also Father's Day. In Hindu tradition, every day is supposed to be Mother's Day and Father's Day, but we will do a special dedication for all fathers at the end of satsang. So let's start quickly with some general information on Ganga Dhara. This is how we call the festival. Now, festival is not our word. It doesn't convey the total idea, but we'll use the word festival. So we call the festival Ganga Dhara here in Trinidad. It is Ganga Dashahara or Ganga Dasera. And it is centered on both the sacred river Ganga and the Devi, Ganga Mata. So it celebrates the descent of Ganga Mata, of the river, from the celestial regions to the earth. And I have a question. Do you know what is the Vahan of Ganga Mata? Sometimes when persons visit us here, well, we haven't had that for a long time, but they always ask about the Murti. So you can tell that it's a Murti of Ganga Mata because of the Vahan, Makar, the crocodile. So Ganga Mata descended on earth on this day, and she came as a sanctifying energy. And you can do a bit of research on the Bhagirathi Katha, Bhagirathi who sought to release his Pitris from the shrap, the curse of Kapil Muni, and to ease their suffering. So you can research that katha. I'm not spending a lot of time on it. And of course, Bhagwan Shankar played a central role, features in this katha, and the powerful flow of Ganga Mata was moderated by Bhagwan Shankar, who received her on his jata. So this is truly an empowering festival, very multidimensional, and we'll see some of this with self-purification at its core. And to truly experience Ganga Dhara, there has to be tapas, penance, sacrifice, as there was with Bhagirathi in that katha. Now, Hindu Dharma teaches us, and we have shared these ideas before, that purification deals with the mind and the senses. These two are at the root of all our human experiences and suffering, because we know the mind can build us, or it can break us. The mind can lift us, or it can destroy us. So bath in the Ganga purifies the mind and the body, as the river itself is holy and presided over by Ganga Devi. And it is believed that when one takes bath on this day, listen to this carefully, that 10 types of papam, we translate it as sin. We'll say our human errors, our wrongdoings, our shortcomings, it can be washed away on this day, but something has to happen for that to take place. And papam is, of course, a consequence of our own karmas that are negative and destructive. And purification in the Ganga, bath in the Ganga, reduces or removes existing pap and the creation of new papam. So that's as much as I will share on this, and I want to let you know that Skanda Puran clears all our doubts about this, because listen to this quotation: Taretat Paramam Brahma Drava Rupam Maheshwari Gangakhyam Yat Punyattamam Prithivyam Agatam Shive. What does it say? Ganga is Brahman itself in liquid form. She has incarnated as the holiest water, and she has incarnated to wash away all our papam. So the 10 forms of pap, they are about our 10 senses, and this is why Dasha Hara, Ganga Dasha Hara. Hara means to remove, to take away. So we pray on this day that all our shortcomings will go away. But that depends on our mental condition and our own efforts. So I want to ask you to repeat this verse with me, and then we will join in our Devi Sureshwari Ganga Stotram. So please say after me, and then we'll share the meaning. Etani, Dasha, Papani, Hara, Tvam, Mama, Janavi, Dasha Papa, Hara, Yasmat, Tasmad, Dashahara, Smrita. What does it mean? What have we just said? O Ganga Mata, take away the 10 papas, the 10 human errors that I commit again and again. Remove all of this. I ask you to take them away. Tasma Dashahara Smrita, as I remember you on this day that is called Dashahara, Ganga Dashahara. So we are going to praise and worship Ganga Mata through the Ganga Stotram, and you can enjoy some of the beautiful visuals from our archives while we do so. Do join with us in the Jai Jai Gange, Jai Hara Gange. That's the refrain. You have the copies also. You can follow.
Jai Jai Gange, Jai Har Gange, 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 Devi Sureshwari Bhagavati Gange, Tribhuvan Tarini Tarala Tarange, Shankara Mauli Viharini Vimale, Mama Matirasam Tava Pad Kamale, Bhagirathi Sukhdayini Mata, Stava Jala Mahima Nigame Khyata, Naham Jane Tava Mahimana, Pahi Kripamai Mama Jnana, Hari Pada Parya Tarangini Gange, Hima Vidhu Mukta Dhavala Tarange, Duri Kuru Mama Dushkriti Bharam, Kuru Kripaya Bhavasagar Param, Tava Jala Mamalam Yena Nipitam, Parama Padam Khalu Tena Grihitam, Matar Gange Tvayo Bhakta, Kilatam Drashtum Naya Mahashakta, Jai Jai Gange, Jai Har Gange, 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 Jai Jai Gange, Jai Har Gange. जननी हे मुनिवर कन्ये पतित निवारिणि त्रिभुवन धन्ये कल्पलतामिव फलदां लोके प्रणमति अस्त्वां न पतति शोके पारावार विहारिणि गङ्गे विमुखयुवति कृततरलापाङ्गे तव चेमातः श्रोतः स्नातः पुनरपि जतरे सोऽपि न जात नरकनिवारिणि जाह्नवी गङ्गे कलुषविनाशिनि महिमोत्तुङ्गे पुनरसरङ्गे पुण्यतरङ्गे जय जय जाह्नवी करुणापाङ्गे इन्द्रमुकुटमणिराजितचरणे सुखदे शुभदे भृत्यशरङ्गे जय जय गङ्गे जय हर गङ्गे 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 जय जय गङ्गे रोगं शोकं तापं पापं हर मे भगवति कुमति कलापं त्रिभुवन सारे वसुधाहारे त्वमसि गतिर्मम खलु संसारे अलकानन्दे परमानन्दे कुरु करुणामयि कातर वन्दे तव तत निकटे यस्य निवास खलु वैकुण्ठे तस्य निवास वरमिह नीरे कमतो मीना किं वा तीरे शरतशीना अथवा श्वपचो मलिनो दीना सवन हि दूरे नृपति कुलीना भो भुवनेश्वरि पुण्ये धन्ये देवी द्रविमयि मुनिवर कन्ये गङ्गा सममिममलं नित्यं पतति नरो यः स जयति सत्यं जय जय गङ्गे जय हर गङ्गे 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 येषां हृदये गङ्गा भक्ति तेषां भवति सदा सुखमुक्ति मधुरा कान्ता भजति ताभिः परमानन्दः कलितलताभिः गङ्गास्तोत्रमिदं भवसारं वाञ्छितफलदं विमलं सारं शङ्करसेवक शङ्कररचितं पतति सुखी स्तव इति च समाप्तः जय जय गङ्गे जय हर गङ्गे 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 जय जय गङ्गे जय हर गङ्गे
बोलिए गंगा माता की जय हर हर So for the benefit now of our foreign viewers, because we do have a foreign audience and some of our locals as well, we'll just talk about the establishment of the Gangadhara Tirath here in Trinidad. And this festival was revived by Sri Raviji, the founder of the Hindu Prachar Kendra and well-known cultural innovator. It is the world's oldest river festival, and it was brought here, of course, by our Jahaji Pitris. Now, there are some elders who have childhood recollections of Gangadhara or of rituals that their parents or grandparents might have done at the rivers or water courses. Some of you actually may have recollections. I don't know. But Gangadhara, Ganga Dashahara here in Trinidad and the wider Caribbean, it was largely lost for decades, until 1993 when it was reintroduced locally. The Gangadhara Tirat was established at a most beautiful, pristine location at the 18¾ mile mark Blanchisseuse Road in our northern range. The site revealed itself, you know, like a premonition. It was more of a divine tryst than a discovery, we can say, and from that time there was no turning away. So since then, a very conscious and gradual development of Gangadhara Tirat at Blanchisseuse began, and several rules were enforced for the management and maintenance of the pristine space, for it must always be left better than it was found. And this is such an important value for us to keep and take with us wherever we go. So garbage has to be removed, the garbage that was there before, and the things that we take and use, nothing must be left behind. No non-biodegradable materials must be kept there. The cutting of any of the plants, nothing of the sort. There must be no disturbance of the flora. So all these are rules that the Gangadhara Tirat Committee would follow year after year. So why the name Gangadhara? So Dhara means the flow, the flow. So Gangadhara means the flow of Ganga. And that place is so named because Ganga actually flows there. You might be surprised to learn that a consecration puja was done in 1996, where water and dust from 2,000 sacred sites in India were collected and brought here and installed in the bedrock at a spot we've named Kapil Prayag, appropriately named Kapil Prayag, where 3 streams converge into one, much like Sangam Prayag in India. So we indeed have our own Ganga flowing here, and this is why we all feel so connected to that place. Now, those of you who are fortunate to have been to India and visited the Ganga or other sacred rivers, or we have all seen on videos and so on, along the banks of the river, many ghats can be found, many stations, spaces specially prepared. And each ghat is named according to the location or the history and the activities that take place there. And this has inspired the ghats that are established along the riverbank for the day of Gangadhara. And we won't have time to go through all the details, but we'll name and describe these ghats very briefly for you. So those of you who have not been to Gangadhara, whenever it becomes possible to do so, when pandemic is over, we hope you will feel encouraged and motivated to come and be a part of this occasion. So we are doing the main ghats, Kailash Ghat, where from 6 a.m. there is non-stop chanting of the entire Bhagavad Gita. So as persons are arriving, the pilgrims, they are greeted to the ancient Sanskrit, by the ancient Sanskrit chanting, and it puts everyone in a beautiful mood. And there near to Kailash Ghat is where Ganga Murti, the biodegradable Ganga Murti, will be welcomed with all the traditional ceremonies. She will then be taken into the river, and as soon as you enter the river, Ganga Pravesh is there, where worship of Bhagwan Ganesh is also done, and the pujas for entering the ritual where Sankalp is taken and so on. As one moves along, Mundan Sanskar Ghat. We are going to see a little bit more about Mundan Sanskar shortly, and this is a very important ritual for the shaving of the baby's hair. We move on to Tulsi Ghat, and Tulsi Ghat is like the hub, the center where many activities take place. We have awards, we have Ashirvad, blessing, we have Pravachan, discourse on the environment, we have Tarpan, where we remember our ancestors, a whole range of activities. Then we move on to Ardhanarishwar Ghat, where the newlyweds go to honor Bhagwan and Bhagavati. Ardhanarishwar, half male, half female. So all married couples venture to this particular ghat to seek blessings for a happy home and for happy married life. And how can we have any grand occasion like this in Trinidad without having worship of Hanuman Baba? So we have a Hanuman Ghat, where there is non-stop chanting of the Hanuman Chalisa, always very powerful, very vibrant, and Hanumanji Puja. Moving a little further up, one will come to the Trinidadishwar Mahadeva Baba Ghat, where in a small cave, a natural made cave there, a lingam that was found there in the river itself is installed, and there is worship of Bhagwan Shiva. And we all know the role of Bhagwan Shankar in the Ganga Avatar Katha. And then further up, Visarjan Ghat, and this is where the Murti will be taken for Visarjan at the end of the day. So that is quite a lot of detail, but we just thought we'd share this with you, especially for those who have not been and the foreigners who are following with us. So pilgrims, when they come, devotees, when they come to this space, they have many options on the day of Gangadhara for so many rituals, so many pujas, so many ceremonies according to their need and inclination. And all of these serve to refine the mind, polish the mind and the senses in order to connect with divinity. So having described some of these ghats to you, let us now journey through some of the activities. We are going to chant one of our beautiful local compositions, the lovely Gangadhara, Mai Gangadhara. It describes in the verses all the different ghats and all the activities. And as you are viewing the video clip, you can look out for yourself. You never know, you might actually spot yourself somewhere. And you know, I have to say that the first-time visitors, they are always in awe when they come to Gangadhara and wonder, how did we not know about this? How did we not know that an occasion and a place like this exists? So we motivate you to do join us when it is possible. So while you view the video clip, we sing Lovely Gangadhara.
Lovely Gangadhara, Mai Gangadhara.
Lovely Gangadhara, Mai Gangadhara.
Pyari Gangadhara, teri hi sahara.
Pyari Gangadhara, teri hi sahara.
Teere ati pyara, neere ati nyara. Teere ati pyara, neere ati nyara. Lovely Gangadhara, Mai Gangadhara.
Lovely Gangadhara, Mai Gangadhara.
लवली गंगाधारा माई
गंगाधारा
अर्धनारीश्वर शिव उमजोरा
अर्धनारीश्वर शिव उमजोरा
प्यारा जोरा लाया आशीष तोरा प्यारा जोरा लाया आशीष तोरा लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा लवली गंगाधारा
माई गंगाधारा
मुंडन की संस्कार घाट व मनोहर
मुंडन की संस्कार घात व मनोहर
बच्चे बच्चे लाइन अप सीधे चुड़की पंतप बच्चे बच्चे लाइन अप सीधे चुड़की पंतप लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा लवली गंगाधारा
माई गंगाधारा
हनुमान घाट व श्री राम की आशीष
हनुमान घात व श्री राम के आशीष
लाल लाल झंडा और नॉन स्टॉप चालीसा लाल लाल झंडा और नॉन स्टॉप चालीसा लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा लवली गंगाधारा माई
गंगाधारा
पीले पीले फूलवा बने मैया सारी
पीले पीले फूलवा बने मैया सारी
तिम तिम बरेला हजारों दिया बहेला तिम तिम बरेला हजारों दिया बहेला गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा प्यारी गंगाधारा तेरी ही सहारा प्यारी गंगाधारा तेरी ही सहारा तीरे अति प्यारा नीरे अति न्यारा तीरे अति प्यारा नीरे अति न्यारा लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा लवली गंगाधारा माई गंगाधारा
गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
बहेला बहेला बहेला बहेला
बहेला बहेला बहेला बहेला
गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
ई पार गंगा वो ही पार जमुना
ई पार गंगा वो ही पार जमुना
बीच में सरस्वती बहेला बहेला
बीच में सरस्वती बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
पार चंदा वो ही पार सूरजवा
ई पार चंदा वो ही पार सूरजवा
बीच में तारे चमकेला चमकेला
बीच में तारे चमकेला चमकेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
पार बेला वो ही पार चमेला
ए पार बेला वही पार चमेला
बीच में केला फूलेला फूलेला
बीच में केला फूलेला फूलेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
पार रामा वो ही पार लक्ष्मणा
ई पार रामा वही पार लक्ष्मण
बीच में सीता धोवेला धोवेला
बीच में सीता धोवेला धोवेला
गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
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 बहेला बहेला बहेला बहेला
बहेला बहेला बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला गंगा तोरे धारा बहेला बहेला
बोलिए गंगा माता की जय हर हर And of course, the first part, the composition that we sang, it was composed by Ravi Ji. So I share a very instructive quote from the Manusmriti. This is like our signature quotation for Gangadhara. Napsu mutram purisham va sthivanam va samutsrijet. Amedhya liptam anyadva lohitam va vishani va. Everyone, if you have not been listening attentively to us, I hope you have been, but just in case, listen most attentively to this quote from Manusmriti, to the meaning. Never throw these items into the river or into the waters. Urine, feces, spit, substances that carry impurities, poisonous substances, and non-biodegradable matter. Okay? I hope you are listening. And here is one of those that we will address in a bit. This verse holds the solution to all our environmental issues if only we human beings could live by it. And as a Hindu, if you are not able to appreciate what is being instructed here, then something is dreadfully wrong. Because in every puja that we perform, every ceremony, if you look, you will see the critical things that we use are the water, the herbs, the plants, the flowers, all coming from this earth. So Gangadhara is remarkable in how it serves as an edifying platform and a reminder to all of us to rectify our shortcomings in relation to the environment. It teaches us how to receive and embrace this creation, hence the underlying theme of the interconnectedness of man, nature, and God. This, along with annual themes that are declared every year according to circumstance, they all reinforce the rules and guidelines our Hindu civilization has laid down for us to serve and protect Mother Earth and to see nature as God. This is our value, this is our worldview. Gangadhara is remarkable and beautiful in that it does so directly, because I want you to think of this. While most of our festivals and sacred occasions, when we celebrate them, we may do so at home, or we may do so in the mandir, or in a community space inside, Gangadhara, what? It takes us outside. Like Kartik also, and there are a couple others, but this takes us outside. And a very interesting thing happens. We go to directly experience our spiritual ecology and how interconnected we are to each other and to everything. So see this. We go out to go in. We move outwards to move inwards. And we are constantly exploring this theme of ecology in theology through quotations, because when you come on the day of Gangadhara, you will see very instructive quotations on the earth, on the environment, and our responsibility posted up everywhere. They are put up every year for the festival. We'd also have pravachan, discoursing on all of these ideas, and sanskar-oriented activities. So we can't deal with all, but certainly we are going to share about Mundan sanskar, which is always an emotional but quite joyful experience for the parents and the family and even the pilgrims who pass by. You would have seen a short clip earlier earlier of one of the ceremonies. And sanskar, just as a quick reminder, it is twofold. Sanskar, the 16 rites of passage that we go through, but sanskar is also a value system, and both are embedded in the Mundan sanskar. So this puja, this ritual, this experience serves as a reminder to parents and to the wider community of our responsibility to nurture and raise children who will be capable and confident in all spaces. And whenever I talk about this, I always like to share this verse from the Rig Veda. Somo viram karmanya dadati sadanyam viratyam sabheyam pitru shravanam yo dadashad asmai. It is a prayer where the deity is being praised and the parents and the community are seeking a blessing for a heroic child who is fit for work, a heroic child who is fit for the society, who will not be a nuisance, for a heroic child who will be fit for the sabha, for the assembly, and a child who is a glory to his father. And I smiled when I saw this verse in my notes. Pitru Shravanam Yo Dadashar Asmai. Today is Father's Day also. And sometimes we tend to think that the sole responsibility lies with the mother in nurturing that child that we all dream of. But fathers, you play such an important role. And we know some of you are excellent fathers, wonderful fathers. And we pray this morning that every child will be blessed with parents who will lift and raise them well. So this is one of the values propagated at the Mundan Sanskar Ghat. And our world, our nation certainly needs such children. You are going to view a clip and a few photographs, and we really want to thank Radhika Ji, Radhika Bharati Ji, and Kavir and Jayashri Maharaj for sharing these precious moments with us. I think sometime earlier, I'm not sure if I did, but social responsibility. It's very important. It is often talked about in this festival, Gangadhara. And at this ghat, for a couple of years now, Ciro, we have been talking about persons, adults who want to grow their hair so that it can be cut on this day and given to the Cancer Society. And we have started it now this year, although it could not be done at Gangadhara in Blanchisseuse. It was still done by Radhika Bharati Ji. So you are going to view this. And I want you to also take note of how the hair is disposed of. There is a formula. There is a prescription, because hair is not easily biodegradable. So our tradition, our elders, our rishis, our civilization, they have all laid down the prescriptions for us. It's just that we don't know it. So we are going to view this. And then about 3 years ago, this family from Canada came to do the Mundan Sanskar of their son Aryan Maharaj. And they now have twin children, Arav and Shriya Maharaj, and they also did the Mundan, the hair cutting and hair shaving ceremony. So you please enjoy and view these clips, and let it be a reminder of how we should nurture and invest wisely in our children.
गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। ॐ आदिदेव नमस्तुभ्यं प्रसीद मम भास्कर। दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकर नमोस्तुते। देवी सुरेश्वरी भगवती गंगे त्रिभुवन तारिणी तरल तरंगे शंकर मौली विहारिणी विमले मम मतिरास्तां तव पद कमले। भागीरथी सुखदायिनी मातः तव जल महिमा निगमे ख्यातः। नाहं जाने तव महिमानं पाहि कृपामयि माम अज्ञानम्। जय जय गंगे जय हर गंगे 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 जय जय गंगे जय जय गंगे जय जय गंगे जय हर गंगे जय जय गंगे जय हर गंगे। महादेव गंगे काशी विश्वनाथ शंभु ओ हर हर महादेव गंगे काशी विश्वनाथ शंभु ओ हर हर महादेव गंगे ओ हर हर महादेव गंगे काशी विश्वनाथ शंभु काशी विश्वनाथ शंभु ओ हर हर महादेव गंगे काशी विश्वनाथ शंभु काशी विश्वनाथ शंभु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम अपवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतोऽपि वा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सबाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः। ओम। तो मुंडन संस्कार, the cutting of the hair today as an act of giving back to a society, and this hair will be given to cancer patients. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम अपवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थां गतोऽपि वा यस्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सबाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः। In the Hindu tradition, it is given that everything from the universe is a combination of the 5 elements. For our sustenance and our survival, everything emerged out of Mother Earth. Even the food that we eat is now taken back, mixed together with some of the strands of the hair. It should not be offered into the water courses. Instead, it shall be buried in Mother Earth itself. Just as everything came from Mother Earth, everything goes back to Mother Earth. Om Prithvi Tvaya Dhapaloka Devi Tvam Vishnuna Dhrita Tvam Chadhare Mam Devi Pavitram Chasanam Kuru Om Shri Prithivye Namaha.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ स्वाहा तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः.
So you've heard me using the word Tirat a lot this morning, and we'll just talk a little bit about Tirat or pilgrimage. It is an important feature of Hindu Dharma, actually of many civilizations. Tirat refers to any spot, locality or expanse of water where circumstances, where the presence of gurus, where tapas, yajna, puja, sadhana, and so on have been done over time, thereby creating a hallowed space. So pilgrimage is meant for spiritual cleansing, and in the context of Gangadhara, water is an important cleanser, but a particular mental condition is required, as I mentioned earlier. This is why Hindu Dharma advises us, and this is the motto that we quote often, Bhavo Tato Hritakam. For successful Tirat, for successful pilgrimage, voluntarily. So you should not be forced to go on a pilgrimage. It should be something that you want to do, that you are interested in doing. So voluntarily accept the prescribed rules. Honor a personal vow and gather in your heart full faith and devotion, and keep the vow, as we say. Keeping that vow is not just about the day, Gangadhara day itself. Keeping the vow is about the Tirat, that is life itself. So this idea of a heart full of faith and devotion and a mental condition, it is the fuel that is required for a successful journey, right, Sham? If you don't have the correct fuel in the car, it won't go, or it may go up to a certain point and then it's shut down. So all of these are the required ingredients. Tirat requires total participation of the individual, so you can't halfway do it. okay, or half-heartedly do it. It requires your whole self because the process of change and of growth, it is not something passive. It is not a passive exercise. Awareness and consciousness of the seen, all that you've seen, that S-E-E-N, but also S-C-E-N-E, I suppose, both. So awareness of the seen and the unseen makes one more connected, more responsible, and more sensitive towards nature. So discipline on the part of the devotee can result in self-transformation, and this activates the grace of the Devi. So this is why Tirath is so important. This is why the energy in that space is so important. So we all go there to experience the energy, but what? We also carry our own energies to that space. In this way, individually and collectively, Tirath provides the foundation for empowerment and healing of the individual. So we have shared a lot. It's a lot to digest, but there's so much to share about Gangadhara because so much history and so much that goes on during the course of the day. But another time, we will continue with such sharing. One of the most beautiful sights on the day of Gangadhara is our magnificent Aarti. Many persons come just to see that. Many stay on from morning till the end of the day when everything is finished, just waiting for this moment when the Aarti will take place and the community will bring thousands and thousands of buttercups. You might have seen some of the beautiful images that we were sharing all week long. And this is offered as the special yellow sari. See, we are all in yellow. Yellow is the auspicious color of the day, the color associated with Ganga Mata. And the Deepam, the Aarti, the light, that is a special blessing that we have received from Rishikesh. It was used at Ganga Aarti there, and it is now part of our own Ganga Aarti here in Trinidad. So surrender yourself. Whatever you wish to offer at the feet of Ganga Devi, however you wish to immerse yourself in the sacred waters, be focused on that now as we join in the magnificent Ganga Aarti.
गंगा की आरती दिया बराती, गंगा की आरती दिया बराती, तिमिर तिमिर बरेला दिया की बाती, तिमिर तिमिर बरेला दिया की बाती, आरती जय माँ ओ गंगा मैया, आरती जय माँ ओ गंगा धारा, आरती जय माँ। भक्तन की थाली never ever empty, भक्तन की थाली never ever खाली, we bring in Nama, you give the bhakti, we bring in Nama, you give the bhakti, आरती जय माँ ओ गंगा मैया, आरती जय माँ ओ गंगा धारा, आरती जय माँ। भक्तन की थाली never ever empty, भक्तन की थाली never ever खाली, we bring Tulsi माँ, you give the Shakti, we bring Tulsi माँ, you give the Shakti, आरती जय माँ ओ गंगा मैया, आरती जय माँ
Ganga Mata ki Har Har. So we are almost to the end of this special Gangadhara Satsang, and I just want to do a quick acknowledgement before we close off with praises of Bhagwan Shiva. Revival of Gangadhara, as I said, it was started by Sri Raviji and started with us here at the Hindu Prachar Kendra. But as it evolved over the years and there was exponential growth, and many organizations were invited to partner with us. So Gangadhara Tirath is a collaborative event, and it is made possible because of many volunteers, many pundits, musicians, singers, and groups who give of their time. And we can't name everyone. We don't have time to name all the groups and volunteers, and it's been almost 30 years. Some of them have also passed on, but we always remember them lovingly. So this morning we want to acknowledge everyone, every single person whose dedicated support makes Gangadhara possible, for it is really a mammoth undertaking. Because of the location, it is so far away. But you know, this is also an important feature of Tirath. We have to journey. And through that journey, there should be a mental conditioning. So it allows for that travel, for reflection. So it's very far away. So to carry all the equipment, all the infrastructure and everything needed to ensure everything is in place for the day, it really takes a lot. So we want to thank every single person who has been a part and who continues to support Gangadhara year after year. Having honored mothers so much this morning, let us remember our fathers. I know they always complain. The focus is always so much on Mother's Day and on mothers. It's true, you know. So really, fathers, we want to honor all of you this morning. We pray that you will continue to be wonderful fathers to your children. Some of you are father figures. We have so many father figures around, some who take care of children who are not their own. We also remember all children who are craving the love of fathers who are nurturing and loving and kind. So we pray for wonderful family life on this day of Gangadhara, when we are also celebrating and acknowledging the contribution of our wonderful fathers. And we praise the Master Father himself in the form of Bhagwan Shankar, the great transformer, the one who represents that transforming energy, the things that we can change, the one who gives us that energy and understanding to make a positive change. So we are going to honor Bhagwan and offer this as a special dedication to all our fathers. Shiva Linga Ashtakam. We'll do about 5 verses.
Brahma Murari Surarchita Lingam Nirmala Bhashita Shobhita Lingam Janma Jadukha Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam Deva Muni Pravararchita Lingam Kamadaham
praying for everyone and everything. This morning, as we have remembered Ganga Mata, we ask Devi's blessing for all those who are ailing, all those who are facing difficulty, all those who have passed on. We pray for blessing, we pray for peace, we pray for healing as we chant together. Om Durjano Sajano Bhuyat, Sajana Shanti Mapnuyat, Shanto Mucheta Banebhyo, Muktaschanyan Vimochayet, Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam, Nyayena Margena Mahi Mahisha, Go Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu, Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Hyau Shantirantariksha Shanti, Prithvi Shantirapah Shantir, Aushadaya Shantir Vanaspate Shantir, Vishvedeva Shantir Brahma Shanti, Sarvagum Shanti, Shantireva Shanti Sama Shanti Redhi. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. प्रेम से और जोर से we chant जयकार. बोलिए गजानन स्वामी की, श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की, उमापति महादेव की, जगदम्बे माता की, गंगा माता की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, सियापति रामचंद्र की, गोस्वामी तुलसीदास की, ट्रिनिडाद और टोबैगो देश की. बोलिए श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय. Jai Jai Sitaram. So thank you everyone for joining us for yet another beautiful session this morning. Continue to be safe, to do what is required. Remember, there is a curfew restriction that you have to follow today and throughout the course of the week as well. Do what is required to keep safe. Do have a happy and blessed day with your family, and we'll see you all again next week, Sunday. Namaskar.
Namaskar.